Hi, this is an ExactTrades.com trade review for the Movers and Shakers report for October 12th, 2011. Movers and Shakers is a free pre-market report that we email out to you every morning before the market opens, and we give you a minimum of 10 trade ideas every day. You're looking at a screenshot from this morning's report. On every trade idea, we give you a direction, whether long or short. We give you a symbol, a trigger, which is the price or area at which you enter the trade, and we give you targets as well. So this was a long trade idea for symbol SLE. Trigger was to go long on a new high above the open with targets of 1% from your entry, 2% was your second target, and then manage the rest with the trailing stop. We recommend taking half off at your first target, take another quarter off at your second target, and then leave the last quarter for either a third target or just manage it with a trailing stop. For the purpose of these results, we factor in a 1% stop. Once your first target is hit, it switches to a 1% trailing stop. So let's take a look at this intraday chart and see how this trade turned out. Here's a 3-minute chart on symbol SLE. That new high above the open was triggered right here at $17.38. So go long at $17.38. First target is 1% from your entry, which is about 17 cents. So take half off at $17.55 right here. Switches to a 1% trailing stop. This had a nice trending move today. Second target was $17.72, which triggered right here. And the trailing stop triggered at $17.60 right here. So this trade had an average exit of $17.60, which is a 32-cent average profit per share, or 1.8%. Let's take a look at another trade. Here's another screenshot from this morning's video where we called for a long trade on symbol DECK. Trigger was to go long at 106.17 with targets of 107.23, 108.29, and then the 109.95 area. Let's take a look at an intraday chart on this one. Here's a 3-minute chart on symbol DECK. Trigger was to go long at 106.17, which happened right here. First target was hit at 107.23 right here, where it switches to a 1% trailing stop. Second profit target wasn't hit, came back down, triggered our 1% trailing stop at 106.86. So this trade had an average exit of 107.04, which is an 87-cent average per share profit, or 0.8%. You can see we just barely got triggered. It did end up hitting a high of just under 110, which would have hit our last target, but it's the way it goes. You get that trailing stop triggered sometimes. Still a great trade. Let's take a look at the overall results for today. So for today, October 12th, 2011, we had 12 total trade ideas. 6 of those did not trigger. Could be a situation where the stock either gapped up or gapped down beyond our trigger point close to the first target, which takes some of the profit potential out of the trade, increases your risk, so we just recommend passing on those. Or it could be a situation where the price we were looking for wasn't hit during the day. We did have 6 trades that triggered. 5 of those were winners. Those winners averaged 0.96% each trade. We had 1 losing trade, which was a 1% stop. Overall win rate was 83.33%. And based on a $20,000 position size, if you were to trade these ideas, you would have had 5 winning trades, profiting $192 each trade, which is a $20,000 position size times 0.96%, and 1 losing trade at minus $200. So the overall total profit would have been $760. Let's look at the combined results. We started this report on July 15th, 2011. Since then, we've had 372 trades that have triggered. 292 have been winning trades, 80 losing trades, for a win rate of 78.49%. So sign up for this free report at our website. www.exacttrades.com. We'll email it out to you every morning before the market opens. We'll give you a minimum of 10 trade ideas every day. We also offer professional one-on-one coaching where we teach you these profitable strategies that we've developed and trade ourselves every day. And while you're at our website, check out our full library of products and services.